Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Google Play Store when you're trying to download app, it is pending, and how to fix this app. So let's get started. So as you can see that this problem is most probably happening to all of you guys, and we're gonna come with a solution which you can try out, which is very easy and accessible. So first thing what you have to do is when you're having this issue, as you can see that you just have to go back, and from the home you just have to click at the top, then you have to click on this and you have to click on settings. And from there you have to click on general and you have to click on apps download preference. You have to select this and keep it to over any network. You have to change to over any network and go for done. This is the first and important step which you have to try out. This will help you to fix the issue up. And if that doesn't work, we have to go for settings on your device. So you have to go to settings and tap over there, and from here you have to click on apps and notifications. You just have to click on apps and notifications at the top. Now from here you have to click on see all apps and you have to search for Google Play service. The first you have to search for this. So you have to select the respective one and you have to click on storage and cache, where you have to clear storage. You have to tap on this and go for clear it. So you have to go for clear all data and go for it, and which most probably will be the fixing the issue up. And also you have to get back to the same. And from here also you have to search for the next one, which is Google Play Store. You have to search for it. So you have to search for Google Play Store and you have to select it once again, and you have to click on the storage and cache. You have to tap on it and click on clear storage once again and go for OK, which will delete all the apps data and you are good to go. Once after trying this, you just have to go back to the Play Store and you have to search the respective app which you wanted to download, which most probably will be helping us completely to fix the issue up. Now I'm gonna search some random apps which I wanted to download for my devices, which I'm going to show you guys. So you have to select the respective one and go for it, and most probably this will be completely fixed up, and we're gonna show you that. Go for the install button, and as you can see that it will be successfully downloaded. So let's wait for a few seconds and we're gonna demonstrate it from here itself. So guys, now as you can see that it is successfully getting downloaded, which is around 7% been changed to 9%. So that's all about it, and bingo. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. Any doubts to ask in the comment section, we will get back to you. And this is Shahin officially signing off from Get Your Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.